Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name's Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, skincare, wigs, all that good stuff. Today I'm doing, This month, however, the month of June, I'm doing something a little bit different, and if you've watched my past few videos, you'll know, but if you haven't, please go back and watch them. I'm doing a special series in honor of Pride Month. Instead of one video a week like I normally do, I'm uploading 2 videos a week, and each video in this series is going to be a monochromatic look so that by the end, I'll have all the colors of the rainbow. This video, as you can see, is a green monochromatic grungy gothic look, so if you guys want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. One quick PS, you can watch all of the videos in my Pride 2020 series. I've got a playlist. I think it's over here. It should show up on the side or below, depending on the size of your screen. If it doesn't, you can just go directly to my channel below and it should show up under playlists. And then you can just watch all of them. Otherwise, just go to my channel and I'll be posting these in like color order of the rainbow. So anyways, you should be able to find them there. Hope that helps, and I hope you guys enjoy this series. I really encourage you to watch all of them. I've been having a lot of fun filming these, and I hope you really enjoy watching these. Okay, so I had ordered a green wig for this video. Green is, I don't know if it's one of my favorite colors, but I'm super into it right now. And I don't have a green wig in my collection. So I ordered one from AliExpress, and it's on its way, but I don't think it'll arrive before I was planning to put up this video. So my hair is still green. I've got it in space buns today. So it's not, I'm really upset because like I really wanted to do an all green look, and I still might film one with the wig once it arrives, but excuse my dark roots. I'm really excited to do this video. I want to do like a very, very dark, smoky, dramatic green eye look with like lots of lime green pops of color. So we'll see what I come up with, and let's just get into it.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah. You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around me. You could be with
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man stand around like they hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back. Is that light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man stand around like they hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say? What do spirits say? What do spirits say?
Okay, so this is the final look. Really, really happy with the lips this time as well. If you guys watched my orange and yellow videos, I wasn't so happy with the way that my lips turned out those times. I also used eyeshadow on a white base because I don't have lipsticks in those colors, so same thing with this one. I don't recommend you do it with Morphe shadows because I have no idea if they're safe to put on your lips, so I'm going to be taking them off immediately after I finish filming, but I thought the color would work really, really nicely with the eyes, especially because I did use the shade on my eyes. And because the eyes they're smoky and grungy, but they also have lighter elements to them. So I wanted to contrast that with a dark lip, and it looks perfect. Like it looks absolutely perfect. I might actually buy a lipstick in the shade because I really, really like the way that it looks, especially with my green eyeshadows. As far as the look itself, I made the wing a lot more dramatic than I had intended, and I think it actually works really nicely. It sort of gives like a shape to my eyes. I was kind of just planning to do just sort of a round halo eye, and I kind of like it better with this wing. I feel like it makes it more dramatic, especially with the type of look that this is. I feel like it needs a lot of dramatic and graphic elements. So really, really happy with that. As far as, let's see, so contour was just my contour. Highlight worked really nicely. I just used the shade Jawbreaker from the Jawbreaker palette. It's white, but it's got like a yellowy green shift, and it worked absolutely perfectly. It's such a pretty color. So use that as my highlight aside from my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight, which I use the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, like the green shade, which I also use in the center of my eyes. And that's just, it's so like, it's like a perfect ethereal, magical, fairy kind of green. Just works amazingly. The blush, I didn't love. It actually, it looks all right on camera. Like it looks like just like a very warm toned, almost leaning into like a yellow kind of blush, but I had issues with that. I tried to originally use the shade Sour from the Jawbreaker palette as well, and that was a bit too ashy and it was starting to look kind of gray. I don't know if that's because it was sort of canceling out the red tones, like the redness that I have underneath my foundation. I'm not really sure. And then I tried to add the shade Mochi from the Gemini palette, and those two colors just don't work well together, so I had to take off my foundation there and then try again. I'm happy with the result. I just feel like it's a bit too yellow for this type of look. Honestly, I don't know what type of blush I would pair with this look, because I don't know. I don't think I've seen too many green blushes, and I feel like if I have, they kind of pull more turquoisey. Not really sure. I haven't actually looked too closely. This time I decided to dress up a little bit because this look is so gothic and grungy. I paired it with a plaid green and blue and yellow mini skirt, mini kilt, I don't know what to call it. And then just wearing my black long sleeve shirt like I feel like I always do. And then I have this necklace, this choker that's really sort of goth, punk, grungy, inspired from Wobox. I've got a separate video where I do an unboxing first impressions of that, so I can link that over here. I feel like there isn't a whole lot to say. I love doing these types of green grungy looks. They're probably one of my favorite eye looks to do because I don't know what it is about it, but lime greens just really get me inspired and they're just really fun to play with. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I've got links below in the description box because I will be posting photos of all the looks that I do for this series. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on notifications so you get updated whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.